Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add voice recording to Word document. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document, then we go to the Insert menu. Then click Object drop down menu and choose Object. Then go to the Create from File and Browse. Then select a voice recording and insert it. Then click the display as icon and choose OK. Now we can see here we add a voice recording. We double click on the voice recording, then open it. Now we can see we add a voice recording to this Word file very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.